I'll show you how to hide apps on your iPhone so they don't appear in search, suggestions, call history, or even the app library. It's quick, secure, and perfect for keeping your private apps. Let's get started. Find the app on your home screen, then long tap its icon. From the pop-up menu, tap Require Face ID. Then select the second option, Hide and Require Face ID. A short message will appear explaining what happens when the app is hidden. Tap Hide App to confirm. That's it. The app is now completely hidden from your device's visible interface. What happens after hiding the app? It no longer appears in Spotlight search. It's removed from Siri Suggestions. You won't find it in call history. And it's not visible in the regular app library. Instead, it's moved to a special hidden folder inside the app library. To find the hidden folder, open your app library. Scroll until you see the folder labeled Hidden. Tap the folder. Face ID authentication is required. Once inside, tap the app you want to open. You'll be asked again to authenticate with Face ID to launch it. This two-step protection ensures that your hidden apps stay private, even if someone else has access to your phone. That's it. If you found this helpful, make sure to like for more smart iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.